અવાજ આવતો હોય.
CM Panchal, exercise number 14. Gentlemen, I have pleasure in welcoming you to the 11th annual general meeting of the company. The annual report and accounts for the year ended 30th June 1964 together with the director's report have already been circulated. Para. During the year, a number of far-reaching changes have taken place in our country and abroad. We have lost our most beloved leader Jawaharlal Nehru, who showed us the way for economic uplift of the country. He was a worldwide figure and was recognized as a unique personality of the time. The lead given by him in the economic, social and political fields will be of invaluable guidance to us for the future in building up the nation. We have been fortunate to have Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri as the country's new leader and Prime Minister. He hails from the masses and therefore understands the difficulty of common man much more than anybody else. There can be no doubt that his leadership will be of immense benefit to the country. Para. The country is facing at present difficulty problems such as slow rate of economic development, shortage of food and slowing down of the rate of production in many spheres. The result is that the real value of the rupee has been going down, and due to the incidence of heavy taxation on the people who form a small minority of the total population, the economic condition of these people has been greatly affected. Shifting the blame from the one place to another is not going to solve the problem. Wholesale dislocation of normal channels of trade and foisting blames on certain people who create the wealth is not going to help. I have believed that taking the nation as a whole, where cannot be anything wrong in the country. Over.